This is how you can take your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 from this to this. The Pocket 3 is already a fantastic camera, but there are just a few quirks which stop it from being perfect. Today, I'll show you the accessories I've been using to take my Osmo to the next level. This is the Ulanzi DJI Osmo Pocket 3 bundle. Firstly, I like to start by attaching the expansion adapter. This adds extra mounting options, including a cold shoe mount for accessories like this light, which we will talk about later in this video. But also a 1/4 inch thread at the back, which means you can mount your Pocket 3 horizontally, opening up a range of creative camera angles and moves. At the back of the unit, there's also another mounting option for the cold shoe mount. Simply pinch the cold shoe mount and attach it to the back of the expansion adapter. This will allow you to seamlessly add it to the top of your camera without interrupting your view of the shot. As without this, the Osmo would have to be mounted vertically, which opens up all sorts of issues. To install the expansion adapter, you simply slide the button to unlock. Place the Osmo inside it and close it up again, making sure the button switches back to lock. And that's it. You'll still be able to flip the screen for horizontal and vertical filming, as well as access the USB-C port at the bottom of the Pocket 3. There's also a removable strap for extra support when you're filming. What I like most about this adapter is that it acts like a camera cage. The metal build not only gives you an extra layer of protection, but the extra weight will make your shots even more stable. It also feels great in the hand by being a bit larger than the Osmo's original grip. Next up is the anti-twist base, which is another essential addition. It comes in clutch as it adds the USB-C port to the back instead of at the bottom of the Osmo, which means you can still charge your Pocket 3 with all the accessories attached. To install it, you simply pinch the sides and attach it to the bottom of the Osmo. In conjunction with this is the mini tripod. Now what's cool about this is the legs automatically extend just by pushing down onto the surface, and then they retract once you pick it back up again. Next in the bundle is this small LED light. It uses the same quick release system, so you can easily add it to the rig. The light has an adjustable brightness and will last up to 8 hours, which is actually quite impressive. This makes it perfect for adding that extra punch to your shots or for vlogging in low light conditions. Now let's move on to filters. If you're serious about getting cinematic footage, then these are a must. ND filters are like sunglasses for your lens. They help you maintain the correct exposure when shooting outdoors without having to crank up your shutter speed. As a general rule, your shutter speed should be double your frame rate. For example, I'm based in the UK. When I shoot at 25 frames per second, you'll want the shutter speed at 1/50th. The kit comes with 3 strengths: ND16, ND64 and ND256, all of which magnetically attach to the Pocket 3's lens for quick and easy swaps. Finally, my personal favourite, the black Pro Mist filter. A Pro Mist filter essentially blooms the highlights in your videos, resulting in a softer image. Modern cameras can be overly sharp and digital, but if you're looking for a more filmic aesthetic, then black Pro Mist filters are for you. And that's how you can supercharge your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with just a few accessories. I hope this video gave you some ideas on how to enhance your setup. If you're interested, I've listed all these accessories in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.